Tony Dayton with Veterans Lending Group, and today is our third episode of Guns and Glitter. And I have with me
is Kennedie, and today we are going to be making avocado face mask.
tacos. Oh, I saw the avocado. I thought we were making tacos.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man. Okay.
Okay, and the first thing we're going to need to make the face mask
Is that instructions you got there?
Yeah.
Have you not made a whole bunch of face masks before?
Maybe.
I think I've made. No, I've never made one. No, it's not something I've ever even thought of doing.
Okay.
Making a face mask. So give it to me, since I'm totally disappointed we're not doing tacos because I seen the avocado right here, and that's usually what I get from the taco bus. But we'll go with it. All right, let's do it.
Okay, so first thing we're gonna need to make these face masks is a very soft taco. Avocado.
See, we are making tacos. Oh, okay. All right, let's check it. Are you careful with that thing?
I know.
In
Just
half?
put it right-
Is that in half?
Yeah.
Right there. Oh, no. I'm just kidding.
I know what to do.
Watch your finger.
I know.
Bam. So what's next?
So.
Mash it in a small bowl. And there's that. So I guess I'll take this smaller half.
Okay, I'll take this half.
Ugh.
And here's your fork.
Skin on or off?
Off.
We'll go for that. All right, I'm all mashed up. How are you looking?
Wow.
What?
That's very mashed.
Very mashed?
Yeah, that is very mashed.
Perfect. It's perfect.
Yeah.
So, and I believe you're putting it on my face, right?
Yep.
So what's next? We got to mash that. We need
Now 2 tablespoons of honey.
2 tablespoons of honey. Oh man, I feel like this is gonna go bad.
No, so I'm gonna put my
That's gonna end up in my hair, your hair,
our hair.
on the face. It's supposed to go on the face. That's the goal here. So see if we can make that happen. All right, there's that. And do we mix it now, or do you just go and mix it? I guess you might as well put in the next thing. Put in the half teaspoon of coconut oil.
Okay, so we have that right here. And
And pour that in.
yep.
Okay. So I need to do my 2 tablespoons. I actually got a little bit of honey already in mine. I hope that doesn't just make mine like extra sticky, I guess, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. Ooh. But I kind of want some peanut butter to throw in here just because peanut butter and honey's kind of my thing. Your mom turned me on to that one.
Yep.
Just like she turned me on to sushi.
I love sushi.
Right? Oh.
What kind of sushi do you like?
Remember, it's the cream cheese. I like the deep fried cream cheese, and I really don't care what meat's in it. And then a little bit of avocado. Hey.
You can just make your own. Use some of this.
Ooh, imagine this. You can make like a dessert sushi.
Oh, that actually sounds good.
Oh man. So like, so tell me about what we're doing here. What is this going to do for us here? You said it's for getting my face all sticky.
So it's going to like moisturize your face from all the avocado in it.
It's going to moisturize. What? I guess that's a good thing for me. I totally worry about the moistureness of my face for sure. That's something I think about all the time. What? Isn't it? It should. I guess it should be, huh? Am I?
Yeah.
Are you starting? So basically, right now, I'm just going to go back to I must be getting old, and my face is probably starting to wrinkle. And is it mean that's the case?
No.
No. How's this going to work on my beard?
I don't know, actually. I guess we'll just have to find out.
Oh, easy. I'll be like picking little pieces of honey out of my beard. All right, I am all mixed in. We got our warm water right there, so when we're done, so we gotta apply it and leave it on the face for 15 minutes. So are we ready to do this or what?
Almost.
Should I wear the hat or take the hat off?
I think you should take off the hat.
Oh, okay.
Because your hair is already.
I was hoping like go backwards and like put the mask on.
That
And
would
like
work.
I'd be like a cool looking mask wearer. You always see the ridiculous Facebook posts of the couples, right, that do this.
Okay, Okay, I think
Alright.
mine's all mashed up.
Is it? All right, I'm gonna sit down on this stool we put here so that way you can actually reach me.
Can I wear your hat?
And you can wear my hat.
Yay.
There we go. All right.
Get my face.
So this goes on my eyes, around my lips, on my forehead. How far back? To here.
All right.
All right. So what are you doing here?
So I'm going to be putting this on your face.
Okay, let's do it.
You
I'm
ready?
Yeah.
It's so gooey.
Okay. Okay. It's actually not as sticky as I thought, but it's really cold.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's so many chunks.
There's chunks.
You're having a big green beard. You look like the Grinch.
Oh, nice. It's a little after Christmas, but hey, that works, I guess.
Yeah.
Great.
Here comes the Grinch.
Did you just drop some more on my shirt?
No.
I'm pretty sure I felt you drop more on my shirt.
No. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay.
At least I think this stuff will come out.
Do you see my hands? It looks like I just am a baby that just went smashed into my baby food.
I actually don't want to tell you what I think that looks like right there. It looks like like I ate something totally rotten. It's all over your fingers.
Ew! That's nasty. Well, there it goes on your face then.
Right now.
Okay, and I think we're all done.
Are we good? Oh, is
Yep.
it your turn now? Hey, go ahead and wipe off there a little bit. And away we go. So it's your turn. Let's do it.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
I'm
Should I use
kind
a
of
fork?
scared.
I use a fork and go like this. No? Alright, let's do it. Probably a spoon.
Yeah.
So here we go.
Oh, that's so cold.
Alright, let's just paint it on. Oh, it's
My shirt. That's my shirt. This is a
It's okay,
school
it's okay.
shirt.
Okay. So
It stinks.
out. Oh, in your hair. Oh yeah, definitely in your hair. That does not look. Hey. There we go. Oh. Bam, there we go. What do you think? Wonder what the audience thinks.
Beautifulness.
Beautifulness, it's like, oh yeah, I love it. Let me get a little bit more. What's it taste like?
Nastiness.
You're trying to
Get it off me.
It's on your
Get it off me.
Here. We're right. I think we're good. So hold. So now we hold for 15 minutes, and then we get to wash it all off.
Okay.
And you get to rinse your mouth out.
Good.
Oh, are we good there? All right.
Yep. Alrighty, finally time to wash these face masks off.
Oh, has it been 15 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Let's do it. All right. I'm
Okay,
excited.
so what I'm going to do is just droop
I
that
think
in there.
I'm just gonna dive in and do this. Like, I mean, I know I was never in the Navy. I was an Army guy. So, but I think I can handle this amount of water. I'm just gonna dive in it. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Put stuff off here. There we go. Am I good? How am I? Am I good?
Yep.
I got it all off?
Yep.
Pretty much?
Yep.
There we go. There you have it,
How
guys.
am I?
Huh?
How am I doing?
A couple boogies in your hair here.
I didn't.
What?
They're not boogers.
Well, whatever they are. Avocado boogers, basically. All right. And that's it. So my face feels super soft right now.
Yep, and there you have it. We have made avocado face masks. So I definitely recommend you guys to try this. It's really fun And it's just fun to do. Really.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Alrighty, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button down below. Make sure to like, share this video with all your friends and family, and comment down below if you want to see more. Thank you.